Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you what it's like to attend a Celebrity Cruise VIP party, the Captain's Club Welcome Party. So, what exactly is the Captain's Club Welcome Party? This special event is part of Celebrity's loyalty program, the Captain's Club. And the Welcome Party is one of the ways Celebrity Cruises says thank you to its returning guests. It's an invite-only gathering that feels both elegant and exclusive. A great way to kick off your cruise with a bit of VIP treatment. Let's talk about when this happens. The Captain's Club Welcome Party typically takes place on your cruise's first sea day, usually around 5 p.m. That timing is intentional, right before the early dinner seating, so you can enjoy the event, grab a drink, nibble on some sweets, and still head to dinner without feeling rushed. If you're planning your day, definitely carve out time for this. It's one of those experiences that sets Celebrity apart. Who gets invited? Anyone who is a Captain's Club member, from the classic tier and up, will receive an invitation. And the best part? If you've sailed with Celebrity even once before, congratulations! You're already a classic member. So that means you'll get an invite. But here's a pro tip. Even though the party is technically reserved for Captain's Club members, in practice, they don't usually check at the door. So, if you're traveling with family or friends who aren't members yet, bring them along. Based on my experience, no one verifies membership status. Just show up and share the perks together. Now, let's talk about what you'll actually get at the party. Let's start with the drinks. Yes, this is an open bar event, and not just beer and wine, though those are available too. You'll have access to a special event menu with select cocktails, along with soda and bottled water. It's all complimentary during the event. And here's a hack. If you don't have a drink package, this is the perfect opportunity to get free drinks before dinner. Most people don't realize this, but you can order a round of drinks at the party, just before it ends, and bring them with you to the dining room. It's a smart way to enjoy cocktails with your dinner, without spending a dime. Take advantage of it. Next up, desserts. While this isn't a sit-down meal, there are plenty of elegant dessert bites passed around by waiters. Think chocolate-covered strawberries, raspberry tarts, and rich mini chocolate desserts. And it's not just about food and drinks. There's live music, too. The party usually features a live band or musicians from the ship's entertainment team, setting a fun, classy atmosphere. If you're feeling up for it, there's even a dance floor. It's a great vibe and a memorable way to kick off your cruise. But what makes this event special is the presence of the ship's leadership. The captain and senior officers will be at the party and mingling with guests. It's a rare chance to meet the people in charge of your vacation, shake hands, take photos, and feel like a true VIP. And don't forget, this party is also a great way to meet fellow guests. You'll be surrounded by other cruisers who, like you, love Celebrity Cruises and have chosen to come back again. It's a great place to chat, share travel tips, and maybe even make a few friends to link up with during the rest of your cruise. The Captain's Club Welcome Party is one of my favorite perks. It's elegant, fun, and I love the free cocktails and desserts and VIP access to the ship's officers. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more cruise and vacation videos like this. Thanks for watching.